If you love the sound of cracking your knuckles, don't worry, your bones aren't actually breaking. A lot of people think that noise comes from bones rubbing together, but that's not true. So what's really going on? I'll tell you. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. Here's what's actually happening. When you crack a knuckle, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops, creating tiny gas bubbles that quickly burst. It takes about 30 minutes for those bubbles to build up again, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle right away. Just be careful. Using too much force could cause a finger to pop out of place.